how does one know what is the right hishtadlus? How does one know how much effort to put in, how much Hashem's supposed to do, how much I'm supposed to do? One of the simplest ways to understand this is to imagine a tightrope walker in a circus. In the 1920s, Barnum and Bailey decided to add a little bit of pizzazz to the act. The tightrope walker had walked that tightrope many times before, 150 feet above the concrete. He would mount the wire with his pole, walk and do his various aerial tricks, and he would put on a show. But everyone there knew that there was a safety net. If he fell, it wasn't to the concrete below. There was a safety net that he would be caught in. But in the 1920s, Barnum and Bailey decided to add a little bit of electricity to the show. They took away the safety net. The same circus act, the same high wire, the same concrete below, but now a very real difference. Every step this acrobat took was weighed and measured with a different understanding, because he fully knew that one slip and he falls to the concrete 150 feet down below to his death. Now it was very different. If a person wants to understand what his hishtadlus should be, he should imagine in his mind that Hashem is not involved. Pretend in your mind that you're on that tight white rope and you have to decide your fate. One slip and you'll fall to the concrete below. That's how you determine your hishtadlus. What would a market analyst tell me to do in this situation? If I went to a financial advisor, what would he tell me to do? If I went to a medical professional, what would he tell me to do? You take Hashem out of the picture. That's how you decide your hishtadlus. Then you understand that there fully is a safety net below. Exactly that which Hashem decreed is what will come about. When I walk on that tightrope, I have to, in my mind's eye, pretend that there's no safety net. Hashem's not involved. I have to determine my hishtadlus based on the minhag ha'olam, the way of the world. Once I've determined what is the right way to act, then I have to fully understand there's a safety net right there. Hashem guarantees to protect me. Hashem is there. Hashem will fulfill His decree exactly as He stated. Those both have to be there. I have to walk out there pretending in some level that Hashem is not there, that it's up to me. That determines my hishtadlus. But then I have to know that exactly that which Hashem decreed is what will be. That's actually the fine balance between bitachon and hishtadlus, understanding my role and Hashem's role.